Hello, Clairemont and Bay Ho. Well, as we move into summer, we're still seeing lower than average inventory in the greater area. However, that may be about to change sometime very soon. In fact, over the past 2 weeks, the inventory of new listings coming on the market has surged by 8%. This is something we just haven't seen for a good number of years. But for now, let's take a look at what's happening right here in the Clairemont and Bay Ho market. Hi, I'm Don Pelletier. I'm owner and broker at the Don Pelletier Group. At the time of this recording, there were approximately 28 active listings in Clairemont on the market, 42 homes were in escrow, and 48 homes had already sold this month. In fact, the average list price was $1,244,000. The average sales price, $1,292,000. These homes were on the market for an average of just 14 days, which is still pretty quick. However, as you may recall, just a month ago, the average number of days on the market was 31 days. So the lengthier market time is likely indicative of the increasing inventory and the fact that home prices are expected to peak, or actually they did peak in the month of May. However, this is going to be followed by probably about 2 months or so where prices are going to be relatively flat. And industry experts are expecting or advising us that in the second half of 2024, we're very likely going to see prices start to soften. In fact, by end of year, they're likely going to be down, as forecasted, by about 6 to 8% from where they are right now. This is basically, a result of lack of affordability with interest rates in the 7% range, and what so far has been, a lack of inventory, like I said, for the past years. But with the inventory surging right now, buyers are going to have more opportunity, and I think we're going to actually see the market start to shift in favor of buyers. One caveat though, if interest rates were to come down, which they usually do during election years, that could be a game changer completely. Buyers would jump back into the market, prices would begin to, get more solid than they're going to be in the second half. So if you have any questions, we can help you plan a strategy. As I've mentioned before, I've had over 1,100 successful home sales. That's just in the Clairemont and Bay Ho area alone. And so connect with my team today if you have any questions. We can help you plan a strategy that's going to derive the very best outcome for you. My number is 858-336-1114. Thanks and enjoy your summer.